How to fix WhatsApp voice message speed. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Play Store application and search for WhatsApp so that you can see if the app is updated to its latest version. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version. So we're going to tap on open and it will lead us to the WhatsApp application. Now I've already selected a chat over here where I want to fix the WhatsApp voice message speed. So right now if I play this voice message over here,
Hello everyone, see you next time.
and you can see the speed is at 2x. Now you can manage that speed and fix it by tapping on the voice message and selecting on the speed.
Hello everyone, see you next time.
So here you can select on 1.5, 1x or 2.2x speed over here. And this way you can fix the WhatsApp voice message speed. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notifications. See you next time.